Alert Steel, founded in 1979 by Wynand Schalekamp. It's a mania steel retailer now. It's controlled by Capital Africa Steel. The company listed on the JSE in 2007, has a market cap of 82 million rand and has been making losses, also paying no dividend. Did I get that name right there, Paul? Because being a little bit of a,
Wynand Schalekamp. So,
yep.
The business was sort of based in the northern part of Pretoria. If you've ever driven up towards Polokwane on the right-hand side, just before you go past the quarry on the left, that's Alert Steel's head office. So Wynand started it in 79, built it up. Everybody said, hey, you should list this business. So they did. They then simultaneously bought a lot of other steel merchants and then decided that they were going to get into the sort of builder's warehouse type business model. So they launched a plumbing division and a hardware store and so on. So the thing were going gangbusters. They got a buyout offer, apparently at something around R2.50. Said
and
no.
We don't want to mention where the share price is.
It's at 2 cents now.
Yeah.
They said no, R2.50, what a joke, that's far too low. So they proceeded then on. Then we had the crash and basically it all came thundering down around our ears. Capital Africa Steel is a private-based steel competitor that saw the opportunity here to come in and swoop on the assets. They've shut down all those other things. They've made major losses. They've had a number of rights issues which have been underwritten by these Capital Africa guys. So they've now got more of the shares and control and dominate the board.
Yeah.
Mr. Schalekamp, unfortunately, is no longer part of the team. But I mean, it's really a salutary lesson of how, like Icarus, the guy with the waxy wings, he flew too close to the sun and fell down to the earth.
Yeah, be careful what you wish for, and if they do come knocking, perhaps you need to think twice, because there are cycles. When we look at this graph, I mean, what happened in 2010, mid-2010? Is that a cycle?
Well, they were already on their way down. I mean, I think their all-time high was R1.80, and that's in the last 5 years. In 07, just before that 5-year period, they traded, as I say, right up around the 250, 260 level. So I think it's just been a long sort of collapse since then down to the current level.
Any positives around Alert right now and the assets they have?
I know very little about this business. Again, it's a steel merchant. Margins are managed and should never trade on a PE of more than 6 or 7.
Okay, so for you, hot or not?
Not.
Not hot?
No, sadly not, I'm afraid. I think they still need to do a lot of homework before they stabilize the business.
Yeah, and the 2 cents right now, far off from that R2 offer.